Hi there, in this video, I will be guiding you on how to register a domain name in Crazy Domains, so please listen carefully. So the first thing that you have to do is go to crazydomains.com and you will either log in or create an account if you don't have yet. And in your search bar, what you will have to do is type the desired domain name. So for example, we can just type anything that we want as our domain. So let's say SpongeBob, for example. So just search for it, and what you will have to do is wait for it to load. And if it is available, you can just add it to your cart, and then you will just choose the registration period, and then you will review and click checkout, and then enter the billing information. And once the payment is completed, the domain will be registered, and then you will just have to check on your my domains, which you can find right here. So it really depends on the layout of your website. So just look for it. And yeah, so that's how you purchase your domain. And I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.